What up? What up? Let me make sure this is set up. We're almost out of credits, guys. Crazy. I wonder how I reset the chat in here. Cause like we got all the old chat in here too. Boom. Boom. Put up the stream. Let me see how I sound to you guys with the noise cancellation filter on here. All right, cool. Pot's actually working pretty quick today. Rainmaker. My mic not even working? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. There we go. Music's in here now. So we're almost out of usage, guys. So we're gonna be playing around with codecs, like actual codecs this time. Yeah, we'll use 5.5. The stream is gonna last just about as long as my usage lasts, probably. Could potentially be shorter. We'll see. Alright, let's see here. This. Where do we keep it? Keep it in here, right? Yep. Let's just go ahead and launch it. See what we're working with as of yesterday. Boom. Should launch it. Oh, I guess that doesn't work. Because I don't think this is what we had yesterday. I think it'll look nicer than this. Let me see when this was last updated. Okay, yeah, so it is this one. We switched codecs back to normal. Take a look at our llama usage for the week. About to be tapped out. I'm not gonna even touch this because I'm just gonna save that for my Hermes. And my Hermes will probably run right through it. Dude, I swear it looked different than that yesterday. I gotta pull up my stream from yesterday now. Also don't want to kill the stream from yesterday, so... Alright, I can't pull it up, but... Because if I click into it and click off, then it'll just kill the stream. This channel's so new, can't handle that. There another... Where he was different. Oh, maybe it was this. If this is what it was, it's not that good. It really is not, man. It's a completely different project. Okay. Go. Not wrong. There are a bunch of older folders. How do I start a new chat? Like, hang on, guys. Gotta get that energy up. The cheese stick. I'm gonna print on them. All right. Okay. I was just wondering if there was a different way that we were supposed to be doing that. See how much 92% left. Okay. These should be clickable and draggable. Also, let me just eat that real quick. Those should be draggable to to describe. What did it say? It said I'm just gonna maybe it won't let me. Damn it. I gotta relaunch it. I gotta see what that said. Setup check.bat. Oh, what? It just totally erased. To Xbox section.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, for visual style and templates, those should be draggable. The text box should be draggable to the text box in that section. And then when I hit generate, yo, what's up, dude? You made your account different, man. Just got my app MVP shipped. Oh, bet, dude. What kind of app is it? Yeah, man, where's your app at, dude? I do a little bit of both, man. Sometimes I just prefer to type, honestly. I talk sometimes, and sometimes I'll just freaking type it out. Yo. No, I actually didn't know that, Jimmy. Welcome to the stream, bro. I hope the drone flying adventure's going good, dude. I'm just using fucking Handy, man. This thing works great. Windows H key. Let me see how well that works. Yo, can you hear me right now? Oh, wait a second. Hold on, did it take that long to boot because I was holding on to the key, or? Yo, what's up, Windows? That actually works pretty good, though. Nah, what? The drone flying adventures are not going well right now? It's built in, man. Way better than whatever the hell you're using. Nah, bro. Handy's pretty good, man. Watch this, Jimmy. It, like, I don't know if it has, like, it, like, thinks about what you're saying, too. So that's the other thing. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I can give an example right now, but we'll see when we actually type something in. Yeah, it's way better than whatever the hell you're using. That does work pretty well, though. Nah, this shit's all local, dude. I'm looking for a team on my game. What game are you playing? I've made that same thing in Python, no AI, nothing, and works same. What have you made in Python? For Honor. Bro, I think you're still gonna be fucking playing For Honor in like 10, 20 years, dude. You love that game, bro. Oh, the voice thing? And maybe it is the same. I thought this one, like, summarizes what you say sometimes or something? I don't know. It does keep a history for me, though. But it's all local. I didn't need to sign into any accounts or anything. I know you do, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, you're gonna be playing that shit till you're fucking, like fucking 50 years old, bro. You'll still be playing that shit. Stop. What app did you launch though, bro? For free and all. Oh yeah, bet, dude. Nah, I should see like the actual button moving down there. There. I should see the actual button in the box moving down there. And then I should also be able to double click on the box. Oh no, shit. Hold on. I should also be able to double click on the template or whatever I drag into the box and be able to edit that template as well. Yo, Matrix. What's good, dude? Where did I see my, where was my token usage? I swear it was somewhere here. Maybe it disappeared. Chat loves you, fan. Very good progress. Thanks, man. You mean you better win, bro. Win for the stream, man. Win for the stream, brother. Even though we chill in disc, I just love to vibe code to your streams. Bet, bro. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate it, man. Let's see. Nope. Right now, we're just working on the GUI of the project, so just like the front end or whatever. But you know, it's turning out pretty good. I just don't know how far we're gonna get today because we might run out of credits. We'll have to see. There we go. Let me see how many we can like stack in here. Why am I making it a desktop app? Well, because this app is gonna use your own graphics card to actually like render out the videos. So might as well have it on desktop if it's gonna be using your own stuff anyways. Like there's a bunch of versions online of like this type of stuff that you can do on the web already. But we're gonna make a desktop version of it. And that might even exist too, but fuck it, man. We're gonna make it better. There'll probably be a web version at some point. Could you vibe code me a sick picture of Rocky in a tuxedo We can put in a hand-painted picture for the wall. Bet, dude. Bet. I'll do that, bro. Send me a picture of Rocky on Snap or fucking iMessage. Oh, if you guys haven't already, freaking smash that like button, guys. Unless your fingers are broken, of course. OMG, I can hardcore code weekly resets tomorrow and I'm on 20%. Didn't the limit just reset for you though? I swear, bro, that the limit just reset for you. Yeah, but it resets again. Oh shit. I should be able to change each individual parameters of each button that is dragged down into the box. What else did I want to be able to do? Oh. The other thing is, I can only drag a couple of buttons down in before I can't see the new buttons anymore. That field should be scrollable or resizable when I drag more buttons inside the field. Check your iMessage. So what do you want, Jimmy? You want a hand painted version of this or something? This is probably gonna be really easy, dude. Or do you want him like painting with a paintbrush? The only thing is, how am I gonna get this over to my computer? Hold on. Experiencing issues connecting to your device. Oh. Link? Nope, that doesn't pop up. Link to Windows, here we go. Make him look hella official. Black background, tucked up, looking fly as hell. I always forget how to do this, so hold on. I gotta figure out how to get the images onto my computer. Let me see if this did what I asked of it first. Okay, they stack now. This will be going on the wall. Yeah, I bet, dude. Hold on. Fuck, dude. I just clicked off this shit. Okay. Him in a tuxedo looking super official, okay. Oh, man. Oh, I see. There we go. Hang on, guys. I'm just trying to figure out so the AI understands his vibe. Bro, I already have this connected to my PC. Sign in. Send notification. No pressure, no pressure. It's just going on your wall. Alright, is this, didn't work, bro. It did not work. Hold on, I gotta do something here while this is... cracked out in the background. Templates and put them in the same category. We don't need templates. We should remove all the templates, remove the visuals for now, put them in the same category. We don't need visual styles and templates. Just keep the feature to add in our own. I've sent you a DM. Okay, bro. I'll check that in a minute. Give me a sec. Give me my freaking phone's frozen, bro. Why is Windows gotta make this so complicated? There we go. File failed to send. Dude, what the fuck? Okay, Matrix, I'm looking at your DM now, dude. What am I looking at though? It looks like a lot of things are timing out. Is this the token thing? You gotta get a NAS and a standalone device that both your phone and computer are attached to. What do you mean by standalone device? NAS I know. Let me try sending the files one by one. You're making an app for it, bro? Yeah, bro, this doesn't want to work right now, Jimmy. I could email them to myself, but that's gonna degrade the quality. Ah, it's just bugging too, dude. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna have to come back to that. That's the native app. Yeah, token, but more developed. Get an ad. Bro, the prices of freaking hard drives right now is mad expensive, dude. Have you looked at the cost of fucking, like, all that shit right now? Dun, dun, dun. put the templates. I have 13 terabytes. Well, that's probably like a lot of money right now. Look at the cost of friggin' like SSDs and hard drives right now. I don't know if it affected hard drives as much, but SSDs. I haven't looked at hard drives actually. It's beautiful. I can view it anytime. I have a VPN set up so I can view it anywhere also. Yeah, that is nice, dude. Why, you have a NAS? That's what you're saying? You have 13 terabytes in your NAS? In your NAS? I don't even think these photos will send over email, dude. Are they too big or something? Because my Gmail app just like crashed when I put it in. My phone's kind of bugging out though. Oh shit. Alright, I'd send it over to my email right now. We'll see how the quality is. Alright, so that's better. Need to take this out as well. Took out these. So we don't. Oh, why does my desktop always do that, bro? That's so weird, dude. You see how small all the icons are down here? I don't think it was like that at the beginning of the stream. Maybe I'm getting like too many apps open. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Do. All right. Hold up, hold up. Yang. Alright, Jimmy, you ready for this? You still here, bro? We have four attempts at this, dude. Of a Rocky Picasso. I hope you're still here, bro. Hold on, hold on. Alright, bet. Doge Picasso. Actually, I don't know if we have 4 attempts with 4 pictures in here, though. We'll have to see about that, actually. We gotta make this prompt count if we only got 4 attempts. Picture him hand painted like a black background. I'm gonna have you approve the prompt. I'm gonna put Rocky in a tuxedo looking fly as hell. Please, no text on this image. We'll use that last. Hold on. Needs to have a black background. What else did you say you wanted? Him hand painted. Like a black background, him in a tuxedo. So you want the black background to be hand painted, or you want him to be hand painted? Need so when edited box it what the prompt. Alright, the whole thing, I want a little vintage flair, I guess. Alright, so the whole thing has to be hand painted. I want the whole thing to be hand painted. The style that we're going for needs to be vintage. Going for little vintage flair. Added to this piece. Please keep in mind this is going up on my wall. So it needs to be absolutely beautiful. Okay, now we're in business. All right, Jimmy, take a look at this prompt, my guy, and let me know what you think. If there's anything else that you want to add to this, or if we're good to go, we're freaking doing it, man. And oh, actually, no. Do you want like a collage, or do you just want one single picture? Looks good to me. Whatever you think is best. Alright, we'll take our chances to see what this does then. And then, if we have leftover credits, maybe we'll do a collage then. It's gonna one-shot it, bro. It's gonna one-shot it. Pull this to the side real quick. Templates that are really good. Yo, Jimmy, it's a freaking masterpiece, bro. Look at this shit, dude. What do you think, bro? ChatGPT's cooking, bro. That's great. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna send you this shit, bro. Well, I'm gonna have it make us a collage of this too. Collage of all the pics up top. Make it look beautiful. Yeah, let's just see what it does with this. Just simple prompt. Yo, Jimmy, text me what email you're using nowadays. I think this one's better. But maybe you like this. I don't know, it just feels weird to me that there's so many Rockies in here. And that it's not the real images, but I don't know, maybe you'll like that one more. The templates that are created should be able to stick upon closing and reopening the app. What was the other thing that I wanted to be able to do? I'll be able to do something else too, man. I should also be able to delete templates as well. Let me see, I gotta check to see if you sent me your email. Alright. Yeah, I didn't want to blast that on stream, dude. I'm gonna send you both, Jimmy, but downloads. I do think that first one was better. Yo, Kenneth, what's going on, brother? Yo, thanks, man. Yeah, one of the homies hooked it up and sent me this music the other day, man. I'm glad you like it, dude. Kenny's. Kennis or Kenny's? We did on stream. Give me 1 sec, guys. Oh, you gotta send me a pic if you, I'll give you a copyright fee favor. Yeah, dude, that'd be legit, bro. Oh, it's Ken, bro. Oh, bet, dude. Yeah, send me a list, dude. 100%, man. I'll take a look at it. Jimmy, you gotta let me know which one you like more too, man. You're out of Codex messages. They hate me, man. We ran out. Oh my gosh. Let's see if there's a delete button. Did we make it in time? No. I don't think it made it. That's a damn shame. Damn shame. Oh, wait. No, hold on. I'm gonna clip that, Jimmy. That'll be going up as a short on this channel at some point. For outages, both power Wi-Fi runs local for when I have a rate limit. Let's see, let's switch this over to, since we ran out of Codex, boom, we'll go over to Windsurf. Windsurf. Alright, I don't really want to use Claude. Let's use GPT. Let's keep going with this. We open up this project in here. Let me see. Push changes to GitHub. Some are super old, don't fit my current taste. It's individually super selectively picked. Yeah, bad dude. What are you working on today, Ken? Raheem, you motherfucker. I haven't heard from you in a hot minute, Doug. I hope your head is down and freaking working, bro. Raheem's probably getting timeout for spamming. I bet he's getting I bet Nightbot is timing him out. I'm #1 on Rob's streams. Yo, what's going on, bro? Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, man. Jimmy, now that we did this on stream with Rocky, Bree made one for her freaking German Shepherd, dude. Well, he's gonna get banned by YouTube if he continues. I mean, it's possible, bro. I have friendship privileges. Launch the app. Bang. Whoops, did I just fucking... I meant to put that on yours, bro. I didn't mean to put fire on my own thing. Hell yeah, Bree, Jimmy says. Alright, let's see. So we got this. Visually, I don't know what the fuck these stupid buttons are, bro. I wish I could run this within Windsurf. Don't want these button looking things, looking icons. I don't know what. Oh yeah, I have those too. I am unmannable admin at places, undemotable. Raheem, I hope you slapped that like button, bro. I definitely know your fingers aren't broken. Yeah, your fingers are definitely not broken, bro. Watch me. Classic Raheem, bro. Dominating chat. We are busy, Rob. Do a shout out or something. I am, bro. I'm doing a shout out to you right now. Remove the tiny button looking. Okay. Just hit accept on all of those. Kilo code auto. Location error. Reggie Stridge. Up, music cut, guys. It's over. Pretty sweet, Jimmy. If you could download OpenVPN, you could use it too. I can send you my config file for Open VPN. Bet. Hold on. Fuck, I'm losing the chat, you motherfucker. I'm outbid with relationships. 10k USD to get me banned. Your call, Raheem. OpenVPN Connect, Jimmy? I'll download that in the background and set that shit up later, dude. Thank you, sir. And I can fucking send you shit right to your fucking computer or whatever. You can use OpenVPN on your phone and your computer, I believe. Yeah, I was downloading it for my phone right now. Oh, yeah, I saw it, bro. I'm not gonna put it on this stream, but I'm gonna take a look at it. I appreciate that, Ken. Mosed? What does that mean, bro? Hold on, we gotta... We start a new chat because otherwise it's gonna do something weird. Can you make the buttons look better and more premium within the app? File I just sent you, if you open it with OpenVPN, it automatically sets it up for you. Bet. No, I'm sure you're right, dude. All should be safe to play. I'm just gonna take a look at it first, see what I like out of it, see what I don't like out of it. Like that thing. Dude, this is the problem. This is the problem right here with Windsurf, and maybe it's only the trial because we're still on trial right now. But honestly, because of this, I wouldn't even continue paying for this after trial because it gets rate limited so much. Like, I won't even give him, I can't even give him another shot, bro. It actually sucks. Get rate limited like every single prompt. Can you expand title of prompt? Yeah. Yeah, thank you for letting me know, bro. Dude, let me know if that's better. What kind of music is in the playlist, Ken? By the way, is it all music like this, or is it something else? I mean, we don't really need to see anything over here anyways, like... Nothing going on over here. France mostly. Melodic and mood-based taste. Okay, bet. Yeah, I don't think that did nothing. Unless it's only considering these buttons. Which maybe it is. Didn't even touch the consider buttons. Multi. I don't like aggressive build-up without me being mad. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see, bro. Like that. I don't like that at all. I don't know, what would make a button look really good? I wonder if Brahim just straight up got banned from chat. Because he was spamming so much. Alright, what's a prompt that I can give this to, okay, rounded edges. Alright, that's a good call, Jimmy. Try drop shadow. See what it does. I enjoy quality, true talent in music, There are very few exceptions that go outside of electronic Nara, Burp, Preferred, Trance, 2000 Oldie, not standard trance. Yeah, I never heard of any of those. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I really have no idea what any of that is. I'm not going to lie. Show me the money. Show me the money. Let's see now. Let's see. What's this? Oh. Moment of truth, guys. Oh, shit. I don't know. It still feels too cheap for some reason to me. Am I using Cursor? No, I'm actually using Windsurf. Somebody recommended it to me on the stream the other day. These look alright. This I'm not crazy about though. Could be the purple outline. I'm not really sure. The stroke. I think it might work like Cursor though. I haven't actually tested out that functionality a lot. But I was talking about finally getting a GPT or a Claude sub again, so they recommended me this. Some of the drop downs have a purple stroke right now. Let's get rid of that button. You're listening to DNB reduced BPM, multiple transition, no probably real build up, no real drop. Okay. Do you use Cursor, Omar? If you guys haven't already, feel free to slap that like button and that subscribe button. I'll make sure to make some more streams. We'll keep on going. Cursor and Claude Code. Oh, bet, dude. Yeah, Claude is really good, but I feel like it's been unusable for a while now on anything other than the $200 plan. I'm starting to vibe with Codex. I like Codex a lot, honestly. So I'll probably pick up a sub for Codex. Ollama, I think, is really good. It's totally underrated for what it's worth. because I really like Kimmy, and I like GLM 5.1. I think they're really good, honestly. But that's definitely unpopular opinion. When you open the selection for certain drop downs, you like Cursor and Cloud Code? What do you mainly build? You build websites? When you open the selection for certain drop downs, doesn't really lead at all. On low, this actually lasts pretty good, man. Honestly, and we haven't hit a single rate limit, I don't think, since that first one. Yes, I'm working on a little project in France. Allow people to create companies directly through the platform. Oh shit, dude. That's dope, man. Like create like LLCs or something like that. I mean, obviously there's more like versions of an LLC or whatever. But like a company in that sense, like through the government and stuff. Like I guess I mean register it or whatnot. That's much better, but it doesn't scroll. Yeah. Yeah, that's fire, bro. That's gonna be a popular platform, dude. It'll automate everything. Bet, dude. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Definitely a big market for that, and I'm sure you probably already knew that. That's why you're making it. Because I use like a third-party program to set up mine. When the selection is open, there is no scrolling for other options. It just scrolls the page instead. I hope so. I've been working on it for 8 months. Damn, dog, that's a long time to stay committed to a project, but that's really good. Have you been marketing in it or anything? Or are you gonna start marketing it when the product comes out? Good commitment though, man. Actually, one of my favorite songs on this playlist. The version of you that finishes what you start. Not yet marketing is last thing. Okay, fair enough, man. Cool. I want to make sure everything works correctly. Yeah, that makes sense, man. It's almost done, but I'm doing end-to-end test for now. Okay. Have you had any, like, users test it out? Or are you just doing the testing on your end? I love building the front end of stuff, honestly. It's so much fun. Okay, cool. Yes, sir. It didn't really do anything to these buttons, though. We see how far this fills in. Alright, just keeps going like that. That's fine. Let's see, this really didn't do anything to the buttons. I upgraded the pacing selector buttons shown in your screenshot. You definitely didn't though, like, doesn't look rounded whatsoever. Unless my eyes are bugging out, but I don't think that's rounded, bro. Doesn't look like you changed them whatsoever. Let's see how much longer we have on this. Actually, this... Bro, Windsurf's been pretty decent, actually. With the fact that it hasn't been, I might have to take back what I said before. I might have to take back what I said. It hasn't rate limited me since that first one. I mean, we are doing, like, smaller type tasks, so maybe that's what it is, but... sometimes it just rate limits me on every prompt. That's really not working whatsoever. Let me just try a whole new window. When one of these buttons is highlighted, I would like to give it a much cleaner, more professional look, with maybe rounded edges. Let's see if it'll actually get this done this time. Down. Yo, Jimmy, I'm just seeing a lot of your messages now, bro. I appreciate that, man. I haven't clicked into them or anything, so I'm not going to respond right now, but obviously, I just told you I saw them. I'll send you a text later. Let's see if it tweaked it this time, or if it's just stuck doing nothing. Up, up, up. Hold up, hold up. Bro. Watch, dude, this will be the one time that it keeps rate limiting me. And it'll just be bugged out. Come on. Come on, Bessie. Come on, come on. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's way better. Yeah, okay. What the changes? GitHub. %, 71% on weekly. Okay. We're growing, guys. Channel's growing. Appreciate you guys. Can't do this shit without you guys. Golden thoughts inside my head, standing over what is holding. There's a story on my head. 1,000 days in time. what it does with that. See what you did, man. Ooh. Launch that shit, man. That's fine. It just made it a little bit bigger. All right, we'll leave it at that. I want a settings tab to be able to set defaults for different things. Let's see. Oh, bro, you know what? I haven't even checked if there's been any comments on Twitch, dude. I don't know if anything's going on Twitch because I just started dual streaming. I forgot about that. Maybe I should set up, while this is going, maybe I should set up Nightbot for a Twitch link. Ah, shit. Not Twitter. Motherfucker. Alright, let me click on my channel. Just a second. Oh, okay. Let's see. I don't know if this auto updated or whatnot. Twitch link should pop into the chat in a sec if anybody wants that for any reason. Go ahead. I forgot what we even did here in this prompt. What did we do? want to settings if you guys want to watch that too and like mute that in the background or something, the Twitch stream, that'd be dope. Just kind of shrunk this whole window though. I gotta make sure that that doesn't happen again. Let me see if it saves the preferences or whatnot. Defaults to be open with part cut off. See what we got here. 82%. Do you think it's easier to vibe code games or web apps? You know, I don't really know because I've seen a lot of people vibe code games. Sometimes you can vibe code a game in like one shot. But like a web app has like a lot of back end stuff a lot of times. Possibly a game, man. But I mean, it's all depending, I suppose. What do you think? It does definitely, I'm sure it definitely depends on what you're building. Let's see. It does not default to... Good for yourself. Still has... I think the documentation on web apps is way more specific than game mechanics. Okay. Do you think it's probably easier to do web apps because you have more information? Is that what you're saying? An AI does not understand simple logic for players. Yeah, I mean, that's fair, man. Game development is definitely one of those things for sure. But, like, I feel like I've seen, like, a lot of simple games that have been built, like, literally in, like, one prompt. It's still slightly flipped. I would say. So vibe coding simple games is easier than complex ones. Yeah, 100%. I think web apps have inherent coding logic. Fair, fair, fair. What type of stuff are you building right now? Are you making games or what are you building? Claude coded a rope that I could drop and deploy and climb up and down with real simulated physics. Oh, bet. Took a week to get right. Damn. That's brutal, man. Have you tried running the test with have you tried building that with any other models? Very buggy, and he had to prompt it for almost every player input. Here we go. Just Claude Pro. Yeah, I'd be curious, man, to see how Codex performed on that, like GPT 5.5. And apparently Grok did a pretty good shooter game that I saw the other day in one shot, but Grok is like fucking, I think it's the most expensive out of all the models. It's like $300. But otherwise, I've heard that Grok is also pretty shit too. So I don't know if it'd be worth it for that alone. But yeah, dude, I would test out Codex, man. Prompt cache expires. What? Okay. Looks like we only got a couple prompts left. Alright, let's see. What do we got here? What do we want to work on next? I gotta actually maybe run a test of this of some sort. Let's see if this sticks. Either it doesn't stick. Nah, unless there's a save button at the bottom. Oh, okay, there is. Let me see. Apply defaults. Alright, that works. That works. Alright, I'm not sure I have any of these models on the computer. I'm not sure why it's picking up that. I thought I had Coin 3.5 as a local model. Hold on. That does not seem accurate. Actually, wait, I know that's not accurate because I have Nematron on this PC.
Did you try a modder?
Under the... Let me pull this up on my side screen.
I'm gonna take a picture and send it.
Just pin it. Under the model selection for Ollama, it's not picking up the models that I actually have on my computer.
Choose when it's winter, she can't even wear them with useless. That matches with everything, but right?
Let's see here. Let's see what this does. Oh, we got another rate limit. Mind blast, bro. Crazy, dude. Crazy. Yeah, we keep getting rate limited on this prompt. This is the issue right here with Windsurf, and it might just be the trial version. I'm not really sure, but I'm definitely not going to pay for it if it's gonna rate limit me on every single freaking prompt. We try running it in a different window or something. Yeah, we keep getting denied, man. Damn, that sucks, dude. I wonder if this will do any better. EPT sub seems like the right move right now. See what it does. Baby. Fix it up, bro. I wonder what models it's actually using in the adaptive version. Made it through it though. Taking a long time to launch, dude. Fuck, dude. We should have pushed that to GitHub. Okay. Alright, much better. Now it actually shows the models that I have on the computer. Much better. I also think this is messed up. Large V2 and V3? That sounds weird, bro. Double check to make sure that I have broadcast on my computer enabled right now, because otherwise you guys are gonna hear some air conditioning. Double check to make sure that the whisper models. What is this? Oh, this is for taking screenshots. That's actually legit, bro? That's... in. All we really need is the tiny version for my stuff, but you can definitely. Why not? Why not? Let's add it. Good. Changes to GitHub. Let me see if anybody. Twitch stream. I don't know how to check for viewers on Twitch stream, bro. Oh, I see now. I see. I want the screenshot feature to update in real time when I'm like making art. Having an issue pushing to GitHub right now. Hold up. Come on, don't fail me now. Need those changes on GitHub, and we need them now. Rate limited. Fuck you, bro. Come on. Such ass, dude. What's the changes? Come on, bro. We just need to make it through this one prompt to save our progress here. You. Now let's do this because that screenshot feature was a little bit buggy. It'll reset at 4 a.m. Okay. Come on, baby. Go. Alright, good. We made it through. Made it through the mud. Let's see what happens here. Takes so much longer to launch this now that it's actually looking for like the models that are on the computer. See if it's in real time. Yep. Alright, nice. Yep, nice. There's no arrowhead on that arrow, but that's fine. Well, there is for a second until you hit release on it, and then there's not an arrow anymore. Like the move tool. We'll worry about all the other stuff later. Good for now. Alright, I think we're going to call that a wrap for the stream today, guys. I got some other stuff that I need to work on in the background. So I'll save myself with like a few credits here. And yeah, but appreciate you guys popping on the stream. If you guys actually need a website or you need an app, and that's the reason why you're popping on the stream, my Fiverr is linked to my profile on my YouTube account. And if you're a vibe coder like me, I'll see you guys in the Discord, man. Join up the Discord, come say hi, connect yourself with the community. A lot of cool vibe coders in there, man. And also I'll see you guys on the next stream. Alright, it was a good stream today, guys. Appreciate you guys jumping on here, and I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright.